Sir John, how much probability mag-cut rate ng US? Ano bang purpose kung bakit nila kinakat ng interest? Una, because of high inflation. Pababa ng interest rates to stimulate the economy. Sir John, how much probability mag-cut rate ng US? Based on my humble understanding, depende sa magiging inflation. Ito kasi yun, ang gusto kasi ni US, close to 2%. Since bumaba na yan last August 2024, pag tumaas pa to more than 3.3%, since may tariff, they wanted to see how will it affect the inflation. Pag tumaas yung prices ng goods and services, hina yung buying power, hina yung currency. Basically, depende. Kung tumaas yung inflation, baka itaas din nila. Pag bumaba, yun baka, no, ibaba nila more. Ano bang purpose kung bakit nila kinakat ng interest? Ang gusto nila is stimulate ang economy. There are reasons to stimulate the economy. Una, because of high inflation. Pag mataas yung inflation, bababa nila interest rates to stimulate the economy. Yung tariff, kung itaas nila yan, mababa ang data sa spending, mababa ang data sa GDP, mababa ang data sa building permits. Hindi nga mataas yung inflation, so hindi naman umiikot yung pera. They're expecting mababa na inflation, may spending, may pambili yung mga tao. Depende ngayon magiging impact ng tariff.